Time waiting for you.
Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how I created this soft pinky purple look, which you can create in 5 minutes. And the first thing I always do is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ocher Paint Pot, which is my absolute favorite eyeshadow primer ever. If you don't know by now, I think it's one of the best. It really creates a sort of layer on your eyelid which covers up all the redness. Also, it's a sort of dry consistency, so it will make sure that your eyeshadow will stay in place all day. Now for today I'm going to use this really affordable palette from Makeup Academy. I will put the exact name of the palette in the description bar. The first color I'm going in with is a really light pink color, and I'm going to use a big fluffy brush. This one that I'm using right now is from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just going to blend this all over my crease, go in back and forth with my brush, and I just really wanted this shade to be like really there. So I went in a few times back with my brush to really build up the colors, but as you can see, it's quite a nice color to start with, to create like a nice pinky kind of situation in your crease. So I kept blending also around my outer V area, and then I switched to this purple color with a more tinier blending brush, and I'm gonna first kind of focus at the outer end of my eyelid, really blending is around the outer V area, and then when I don't have a lot of product anymore, I'm going to blend it in my crease as well. Now I felt like that color didn't really show up, so I went in with this purple color, which is a little bit darker and a little bit more vibrant. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did with the other purple color. First pressing it in the outer V, and then when there's not that much left on my brush, I'm going more towards my crease area. And I think I went back in with my brush around 3 times, so to kind of make it as purple as possible. But again, I feel like this is not like a super pigmented color, but it definitely gave me a little bit of more of a purple undertone in that area. Then now I'm going in with this shade, which is I don't really know how to describe it. It's not really bronzy, it's like a neutral bronzy shade, which I think is really beautiful. It's not super cool tone, not super warm tone. It's like a really beautiful in-between kind of color, and I'm gonna apply that all over the eyelid using a MAC 242 brush. You can also make your brush wet with some setting spray if you want more of a intenser metallic finish. Then I'm taking this purple blue color, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of that in my outer V as well. I just felt like I wanted to do something different. I just wanted to see what happened if I would do this basically. I had no idea how it would turn out, but I think it definitely gives this whole eye look a little bit of a different twist, which I really like. So I just pressed it at the outer V and then blended it a bit towards the crease. Now for in my waterline, I'm taking a white pencil. The one I'm using is from MAC called Fascinating. And then now I'm going back in with the vibrant purple shade and pressing this underneath the low lash line using a flat diviner brush. I really love to use brushes like this. This one is by Sigma Beauty. I have a special discount code for everything on Sigma Beauty, their website. But this is really nice for if you want to really create a line as tight as possible against your lash line. Then now I'm going to smudge it out with a more really tiny blending brush. And I'm just gonna sweep my brush back and forth to really blend it out. I don't want a really harsh application. Then now I remove any fallout, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes using this lash curler from Tarte Cosmetics. And for my mascara, I'm gonna use the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Liner, which is one of my favorites. I kind of forgot how much I like it, so I'm probably sure you guys gonna see this mascara a bit more often. But it really lifts my lashes, and I love how it separates my lower lashes. It's just really nice. It doesn't make it really clumpy looking, and I really love what this mascara does. Then now I applied some fake lashes. These ones are from my lash company, which isn't existing anymore, unfortunately. But this one has hairs that go from long to short to long to short. There's a sort of space in between, which I think is nice because you can still see the eyeshadow situation going on. And yeah, then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoy watching today's video. Let me know if you're gonna recreate it. If you do, don't forget to post it in your Instagram stories so I can repost it in my Instagram stories as well. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!
I'm standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time.